Alright, so today I'm just out in the backyard doing some stuff, and I'm going to fix up my old pellet trap. So I brought some fresh cardboard out here, some new zip ties, and I'm just going to shovel all these rubber chips back in that fell out over the last snow that we had. And then I have a bag of some replacement stuff, so I'll top it off and get this thing ready for a lot more rounds. So these are pretty simple to make. It's just a plastic container from Home Depot, and you just cut the lid open essentially, and then you just put some rubber mulch in it, put some cardboard behind it, and I had just some zip ties to keep the lid secured, and then you're good to go. And these things are pretty tough. I can shoot my Pantera at full power and the slugs are not going through it at all. And so yeah, it's been a really awesome thing just to add to my backyard, so I can do some like velocity testing and stuff like that just really quickly. I don't have to like pack up and go to the range and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna get this patched back up and call it a day. So this lasted a long time. I built this like last spring, so about a year now. And we just had our first snow, and it got really wet over here, and so it kind of was the final straw for the old cardboard that I had in there. What I've seen people do that is really probably a better upgrade than the cardboard is to use some of those like old, like a for sale sign that's kind of like that plasticky material, because that's obviously a little bit more waterproof and it will last a lot longer in the weather. And especially for around here in the Pacific Northwest, it rains a lot. So I'll probably end up doing that soon, except for I just have a lot of cardboard laying around, so I always just end up using those cardboard pieces. The thing about these rubber mulch traps too is you want to fill them as much as you can, because as soon as you flip them onto their side, the chips start to go towards the bottom and you might end up with a gap at the top of the box, which can be kind of dangerous. So you want to make sure that it still has a lot of chips at the top, so if you shoot up there, you're not going to shoot through the box. Usually in practice, I just try to shoot from the middle of the box and below, just to be safe. But if it's full enough and secured, you can shoot the whole area, no problem. So I'm kind of just scooping up dirt at this point. So I'm gonna go to the new bag of mulch. Okay, so got a good new layer on top. It's just an old Amazon box, so I just kind of measure it a little bit. All right. So after you get the cardboard in, you just put the lid back on the top, and that holds everything together. Then I have some new zip ties to throw on here. There you go. So that's it. Then you can just tape or staple in your targets and you're good to go. You can do some shooting in your backyard. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I have a lot of other videos that are kind of in the works still, so Just kind of doing random stuff like this until then. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.